Let's make original Nigerian stew with fresh fish and goat meat. First, add your goat meat, fish, salt, seasoning cubes, thyme, curry powder, and garlic granules. Stir to combine. Add water, not too much. Cover and allow to cook. Now I'm going to remove the fish and allow the goat meat to cook properly. I'm going to cook down my tomatoes. At this point, you can air fry or grill your fish. Today I'm frying. So I'm going to cook the fish out and fry the rest. Now to fry the stew in the same oil, I'll add my chopped onions, a little bit of thyme, a little bit of curry powder to build more flavor. Now stir and allow it to fry. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste, a little bit. I'm going to stir and allow it to fry. Now I'm going to add my pepper mix. I'm going to add seasoning cube. Now stir. You can add any spices of your choice. You guys, I don't like too much spices. I always cook with basic ingredients. Stir and allow it to fry. At this time, the tomatoes has fried really well. Now I'm going to add my stuff, my proteins, fresh curry leaves. Now stir. Cover and allow it to cook. At this time, the stew is done. Look at that. The stew is done. This is everything delicious.